It's some time. Hi guys, did you check out our video on what is diabetes? That was awesome, right? But now, to make it a little more interesting, I'll replay the video and ask some questions in between. What is diabetes?
A rare diamond.
No. Diabetes is a disease in which glucose or sugar levels in our blood remain high. Which of the following is a symptom of diabetes? Yawning, nail biting, discolored hair, frequent urination. Come on guys, clock is ticking. Start typing your answers. Okay, ready to know if you are right or wrong? The correct answer is option number 4. That is, frequent urination.
Is it higher than the Statue of Liberty?
Nah. Most of our food is converted into glucose and released into the bloodstream. What is the chemical formula of glucose? G2U508, C6H12O6, Gi2C508, C12H6012, and your time has begun. Start guessing.
Come on, the clock is ticking. Write your answer in the comment section.
And time's up. The correct answer is option number 2. That is C6H12O6. Then our pancreas makes insulin. Insulin helps glucose get into the cells. However, in some people, the insulin production is inadequate or it is not used well. Hence, glucose stays and builds up in the blood, increasing the blood glucose level and thus causing diabetes. There are 3 main types of diabetes. Diabetes type 1 occurs when our immune cells destroy the cells in pancreas, which make insulin, resulting in less or no insulin production. Pancreas is the largest gland in our body. True or false? You have only 15 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, time to find out the right answer. It is false because liver is the largest gland in our body. Diabetes type 2 occurs when pancreas cannot produce enough insulin or our bodies cannot use it well. Gestational diabetes occurs in pregnant women. Diabetes can lead to blindness, kidney failure, heart attacks, etc. What is the medical term for a heart attack? Lupus erythematosus, myocardial infarction, sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia, acute heart collapse. Are you ready? Your time starts now.
Think fast and write your answer or correct option in the comment section.
Alright, time for the right answer. It's option number 2. That is, myocardial infarction. Hence, diabetic people should always maintain their blood glucose levels.